Hi, Gary Dahse here with another golden nugget from my recent book, Tell Me What to Do. This little vignette that I want to share with you talks about one of the three powerful secrets that we share with you in the book on how to achieve phenomenal success with goal setting. It has to do with what we talk about in the book called the mind-body crossover. How do we cross over from our mind to our body and create a thought into a physical reality? We know that when we pick up a pen, if we have a thought in our mind and we write that thought down on paper, that we've manifested it. We've turned it into a physical reality. Pen on ink. We can actually touch the paper and we've crossed over the mind-body crossover. It's a very powerful concept about how our subconscious mind works, and you can learn more about it in the book. But here's the secret that I want to share with you. If you just think about your goals and you don't write them down, we know that from research of our mentees that use this process, that they're going to achieve between 10 and 20% by just thinking about their goals. We know that people that write them down achieve between 60 and 70% if they write them down as if they've already happened. They review their list every morning and they rewrite their goals once a month. A pretty phenomenal secret. I encourage you to give it a try. You can learn more about all the details in the book. Thanks for listening.